Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance, and professional development. As a current time of 8:22 a.m. on the Eastern Time on May 21st on Sunday. Hope you guys have a good weekend so far. Ethereum $100,811, about 0.51% so far. On the overall crypto market, I would say across the spectrum, it's been still consolidating at the respective level that we have been talking about so far, which is at $1,800. And we are technically just gliding above the 1800 mark, and the next approximate level of resistance versus support would be around 1850 versus 1750. So you could see that clearly we are just lingering in between right now. And on a technical front, you can see that the daily right now is looking quite bullish. It's about to cross up to form a golden cross. So seeing it, I would say this week, for it to elevate to be above 1850 mark, to somewhere even approximate 1900 would not be a surprise for us. And then with respect to the weekly front, you could see that we're about to cross down, which is good. We are waiting for this to complete. We've been waiting for this for such a long time, nearly a year so far. So for this to complete, it will allow for the whole market to replenish the momentum, and you could see that the monthly is quite bullish, right? So I would say if you rank this, like the weekly will overpower the daily, obviously, but the monthly obviously completely overpower the overall macro dynamics. So that means that, again, in the near term, right, days out, we are expecting to see some elevation. Weekly, we will see some correction, but not a significant amount. But as we get that completed, as we align daily, weekly, and monthly, mostly importantly, the weekly and the monthly, we will see the bullish momentum to get picked up, and that's where the beginning of the bull market begins. On the Bitcoin side of the equation, I would say it's quite similar. Monthly, it is looking to cross up at the 50 out of 70. Weekly right now is looking to cross down the 55 out of 70. So it is looking, similar in terms of momentum. But with respect to the specific technical level, for Bitcoin, that will be 28,500, and then the level down would be the 27,500 respectively. And then the daily, it is also looking, like it's about to cross up, but it's not as near term in comparisons to Ethereum. So Ethereum will technically run up faster first in comparisons to Bitcoin. It seems like there's a delayed effect between the two, but not significant delays, but just a slight one. It seems like with respect to the Bitcoin, there's still some more time for it to glide before it run up to the next level up again was 27,500. So again, the momentum seems very similar, fairly comparable, but slight delay, obviously. So the same verbiage as compared to yesterday, nothing really major. So is the equity side, which we don't need to really dive into. Again, the bullish run should be coming, much later down in Q3, Q4. But in the near term, like the weekly, it is looking quite extended, and the daily as well. So again, short-term volatility, but in terms of macro dynamics, we are already seeing a good foreshadow for a bullish run coming. So appreciate you as a shorter one than usual, but nothing really particularly important for us to understand at this point until the next coming up FOMC and CPI report that we should be expecting around the summer. So have a good one, and it's a chilly day in New York, so I'll probably walk around the city. It's a cool day compared to like the hot, humid days that we've been experiencing days ago. So have a good one. I'll check you on the next one. Take care. Bye.